Hi friends, today we are starting new exercise which is 1.3. So the question is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So let us say the first case, which is 36 upon 100, which will be giving you as 0.36 when you divide it directly via 10 and 10. So first 10 will give you 3.6 and second 10 will give you 0.36. So you have to replace our decimal point, just leaving two places, so 1 and 2. So I have just left two places and put a yes, so it is a terminating it's a terminating decimal expansion. Now let us check second question, which is 1 upon 11. So we will be dividing 1 by long division method first thing. So I'm just putting here 1 and here is 11. So let us say 0 point here 1 0. So again it's less than 11, so again a 0 here and a 0 is here. So you will get 11 9s are 99. So you get 1 and 0 0. Again 1 is not divisible, so a 0 is here, again 1 0, again a 0 0, 9, so 99. So you will get 1 cross cross, so again 1 0 0.9. So you get a pattern here which is saying you of repeating number. So which number is repeating, you can check here. 0.09, oh sorry, here it will be 0 single 0, 0 point, because 11 point 0 99 9. So you got 1 left, so 2 9. Okay, you will get here as 0.09 is repeating. So there is a bar on these two digits because these are the repeating decimals. Okay, so this is how you have to note it in this notation. You have to write in this notation. So it will be a non-terminating, terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Okay, third one, which is a mixed fraction. So first of all you need to make it a improper fraction. So how you will do it? Simply multiply 4 into 8 plus 1 as numerator upon 8 as denominator. So you will get 32 plus 1 upon 8, which is 33 upon 8. Now you have to divide 33 by long division method. You will get as 4 32, 1 left, so 0.0 1 8 2 8 to the 16, so 16 and 4 0 8 5 is a 40. So you got 4.125, which is a terminating decimal expansion. Hope this is clear to you. Now the fourth part, which is 3 upon 13. So again we are going to do a long division method. So we need to divide 3 by 13. Okay, so put a 0 and a point here. 0 is here, so 13 to the 26, 26 is here, 0, so 1 is borrowed here, so 10 minus 6, which is 4. Okay, 1 0, 13 3 the 39. Okay, so 1 left, 0. 10 cannot divide, 10 is small number, 0 is here, 100. So 7 the 91, which will give you 9, and here you will get 0 0. So 1 0 is here, 13 6 the 78. Okay, 6, which will give you 78. 2 1, 0 is here, 9 117, which will give you 3, cross cross, 2, which will give you 26, cross. Again number is getting repeated, 1 0, you will get, okay, 7. So you have just got a pattern here. What kind of pattern is 13 upon 30? 3 upon 13 is giving you 0.23076 which is repeating. You can see here it's repeating again. So it's a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Now let us say fifth one, 2 upon 11. Perform a long division method. 2 is divisible by 11, so 0.0, 11 1 the 11, 1 times 9 left, cross, 0 8 88, 2 left, 0 1 11, which will give you 9, cross, 0 8 88, which will give you 2 0 1, again 9 0 8. So you can see that 2 upon 11 giving you 0.18 and repeating. So it's a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Okay, now which one? The last one, sixth question, question number 6. So sixth part of first question. So we have 329 upon 400. Let us divide 329 by 400. So you will get 0.0 here. 4 8s are 32. So 8 times 3200. You will get 9, cross cross, 0. 4 2s are 8. 800. You will get 0 0 1. You will get 4 2s are 8, which is again 800. You will get 0. 4 5s are 20. 2000, cross 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 cross. So it will give you 329 upon 400 will give you 0.8225, which is terminating decimal expansion. So this ends our first question. Six parts are covered. Hope and you have understood this first question very well. And if guys, if you have any problem, any concern, please post in comment of the video section. Okay, thank you for this question, watching this question. Now we will moving for the next question. Okay, so second question, we have given that 1 upon 7 is 0.142857, repeating decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 we need to find out without doing a long division. And how? We have to explain them. So simply guys, you can see that what's given 1 upon 7 is given as 0.142857 repeating. That means again the whole number is getting repeated. So we are writing just for our reference that we have given this. So what we have to do without doing a long division, we have to find out these values. So we know that 2 upon 7 we need to find out. So I can write 2 upon 7 as 2 cross 1 upon 7. 2 as quotient separately and 1 upon 7 the values that we already have with us. So need to keep these as 2 into 0.142857. Simply multiply this and put a bar over here like this. It will be a permutation of the numbers 142857, whatever we will getting. So what we will get here, so 2 7s are 14, carry is 1, 2 5s are 10, 1 11, 2 8s are 16, 1 17, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 4s are 8, 1 are 2, and point is there as it is. This is the value that we have obtained for 2 upon 7. Likewise, what we will be doing, we will be getting 3 upon 7. So what for 3 upon 7? 3 into value of 1 upon 7, which will be get as 3 into bar, put a bar on 0.142857. So what will get? 3 7 is 21, carry is 2, 3 5 is 15, 2 17, 7, 3 8 is 24, 1 25, carry is 2, 3 2 is 6 and 2 8, 3 4 is 12, carry is 1, 3 1 is 3 1 4. So 0.428571 repeating. So you will get 3 upon 7 as this. And for 4 upon 7 the same thing you have to do. 4 into 1 upon 7 will get you 4 into value of repeating 0.142857. multiply this and put a bar. So 4 7 is 28, carries 2, 4 5 is 20, 22, carries 2, 4 8 is 32 and 2, 34, carries 3, 4 2 is 8, 11, carries 1, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, carry is 1, 4 is 4 1 5, 0.57 and put a bar over here. So 4 upon 7 is coming out as this. Okay, now 5 to find out 5 upon 7. So to get 5 upon 7, what will you get to 1 upon 7? Put a bar on value of 0.142857. that is the value of 1 upon 7. So you get 5 7 is 35, carry is 3, 28, carry is 2, 42, carry is 4, 5 to the 10, 14, carry is 1, carry is 2, 7. So put a bar 0. This is the value of 5 upon 7. Similarly, you will get 6 upon 7, which will be 6 multiplied by 1 upon 7, which will give you 6 into the value of 0.142857. Put a bar over here, you will get 6, 42, 34, 51, 17, 25, 8. You will get 0.85142. So 6 upon 7 as this is the value. So this is how you have to do this, guys. The thing is which you need to keep in mind, the value of 1 upon 7, which is given you repeating. So you only need to multiply with the quotient, new quotient every time. You will get the number in permutation of 142857 after multiplying with the desired digit. Okay, so this was our question number 2 of exercise 1.3 first chapter. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you. So please stay tuned for the next question. Thank you.